second video. So today I'm going to be unboxing something. It's an early Easter egg present, and it is the cream egg Easter egg. And I'm going to be showing you what's in it. So let's get on with that. So let's try and open this. So there we go. That was the easiest thing in the history of Easter eggs. So in it they have oh my god, it's Easter egg. That's gonna fall. I'm gonna fall as well. So an Easter egg, which I think is broken because I broke it when I was unboxing it on my Instagram, which you definitely go check out. It is Emily Clean. Woo. So Emily underscore me underscore Clayton. So yeah, it's broke, I think. So yeah, that's one thing. Just the next thing out of the mystery box. Oh, I'm trying to get this out. Where did it go? It landed all the way over here. When it was down there, it landed all the way over there. It is a mini little cream egg. Yeah, they're my favourite things. It's there it is. So yeah guys, that was my Instagram unboxing. Well, not my Instagram unboxing, my Easter egg unboxing. So yeah guys, anyway, bye.